guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Washington. President Joe Biden said on Wednesday the U.S. government will forgive 10 in student loans of millions of them sadly former college students, keeping a pledge he made in the 2020 campaign for the White House. The move could boost support for these fellow Democrats in the November congressional elections, but some economists said it may fuel inflation, and some Republicans in the U.S. Congress questioned whether the president had the legal authority to cancel the debt. Debt forgiveness will free up hundreds of billions of dollars for new consumer spending that could be aimed at home buying and other big-ticket expenses, according to economists who said this would add a new wrinkle to the country's inflation fight. The actions are for families that need them the most, working and middle-class people hit especially hurting during the pandemic, Biden said during remarks at the White House. He pledged no high-income households would benefit, addressing a central criticism of the plan. I will never apologize for helping working Americans and middle class, especially not to the same folks who fought for a $2 trillion tax cut that mainly benefits the wealthiest Americans and the biggest corporations, Biden said, referring to a Republican tax cut passed under former President Donald Trump. Borrower balance have been frozen since the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, with no payments required on most federal students' loans since March 2020. Many Democrats had pushed for Biden to forgive as much as $5,000 for $1,500 per borrower. Republicans mostly opposed student loan forgiveness, calling it unfair because it will disproportionately help people earning higher incomes. President Biden's student loan socialism is a slap in the face to every family who sacrificed to save for college, every graduate who paid their debt, and every American who chose a curtain-chair path of or volunteered to serve in our armed forces in order to avoid taking on debt. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell said Wednesday the administration has yet to determine the price tag for the package, which will depend on how many people apply for it. White House Domestic Policy Advisor Susan Rice, the administration has yet to determine the price tag for the package, which will depend on how many people apply for it. White House Domestic Policy Advisor Susan Rice told reporters. Students' loans obtained after June 30 this year are not eligible, she said. White House Press Secretary Karen Jean-Pierre told reporters the administration has legal authority to forgive the debt under a law allowing such action during a national emergency such as pandemic. Earlier, Republican U.S. Representative Alice Stefanik had called the plan reckless and illegal. American university tuition fees are substantially higher than in most other rich countries, and U.S. consumers carry $1.75 trillion in student loan debt, most of it held by the federal government. Biden said other countries could bypass the United States economically if students are not offered economic relief. The administration will extend a COVID-19 pandemic-like pause on student loan repayment to year-end, while forgiving in student debt for single borrowers with annual income a year or married couples who earn less than the White House said. Some 8 million borrowers will be affected automatically, the Department of Education said. Others need to apply for forgiveness. The government is also forgiving students from low-income families who received federal Pell Grants and proposing a new rule that protects some income from repayment plans and forgive some loan balance after 10 years or of repayment, the education department said. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.